How much money can you deposit in saving account? What is the single day cash deposit limit? There is no official limit on the amount of money that you can have in your savings account. There are, however, some official checks on deposit limit per day transaction and per financial year transaction. As per RBI guidelines, you can deposit up to raise 50,000 into your savings account without showing PAN details. But for higher limits, you will be required to furnish your PAN card. The income tax department must be notified of certain high value cash deposit, financial transactions, payments, etc. in savings account made in a year. Taxpayers can lessen their chance of receiving income tax notices and feel more confident when navigating the banking systems by proactively revealing high value transaction and following tax regulations. Cash deposit in one or more of a person's accounts totaling 10 lakh rupees or more within a fiscal year must be reported to the income tax department, the postmaster general and banking institutions or cooperative banks are the designated reporting entities for such cash deposits. Meanwhile, it is important to know that your bank savings account is insured by deposit insurance and credit guidelines. Corporation, each depositor in a bank is insured up to a maximum of 5 lakh rupees for both principal and interest amount held by him in the same right and same capacity as on the date of liquidation, cancellation of bank's license, or the date on which the scheme of amalgamation, merger, reconstruction comes into force.